yeah, that's my review of the Mr. Beast burger. Like, Mr. Beast in himself is a wonderful, like, I don't know him obviously, but like the things that he does for other people is amazing, and I really like that, and that's something that I want to do in the future. And like how when he opened the restaurant he was like giving out money, like that's something that I want to be able to do. So I'm not bashing him, but the food, baby. Hey guys, it's me. So today we are going to be talking about Mr. Oh girl. So today we're going to be talking about Mr. Beast's burgers. And I did eat these yesterday, but I got the lettuce wrap, so I couldn't really save them for today, and I was doing too much yesterday to sit and record in the time frame that a lettuce wrap would still be good. So it is what it is. So first thing, I got them both in a lettuce wrap. I just got the Mr. Beast double, and then I got the Impossible Mr. Beast one. I just got the sandwiches for both. It was $26 with a $5 coupon, so it would have been like $31, because at my location they don't let you do order it as pickup. It has to be delivery, but I went and picked it up anyway because it's literally right down the street, and I was like, I'm not wasting people's time like that. And that whole story was a whole story in itself. Like, I called before to make sure it was okay, and I could like save people time, and like I could contact the driver and they wouldn't have to get, it was a whole mess. But anyways, so yeah, I thought they were kind of expensive, especially because the restaurant I picked it up at, my meal there is literally like $8 for the burger and the fries. Like, and it tastes bomb every time. I got people hooked on it, like, and so paying like $26 for just 2 burgers was, I was like, what the hell, baby? What the hell is this? But anyways, so yeah, this is the bag. This is what it looks like. And yeah, so first we're gonna go over the Mr. Beast double. This is the little box that it comes in. Looks like this or whatever. It says Mr. Beast double lettuce wrap right there, if you can see it. If you can't, it is what it is. I will say that this one had the Impossible Burger sticker on it, so I assumed like they just, you know, this was just a tag of like what I got, because the other one does not have an Impossible Burger sticker on it, and I hadn't looked at it yet. Like, I could see, because the Impossible Burger sticker is like this color, and the other one did not have that. So I was like, oh, so this is an Impossible Burger. They just stuck like the thing so they know what was in my order on top. So I would say, like, I don't think this is more of a Mr. Beast burger, but like maybe to like make that a mandatory thing, not to stick the Impossible Burger sticker on something that's not an Impossible Burger, because you never know why somebody is ordering an Impossible Burger over a normal burger. Because I sure was munching and crunching on this, and I thought it was, I was like, oh, you know what, just do taste like beef. That's because it was beef, bitch. So, but yeah, anyways, so this was the double. I'm gonna be straight with you. I said I was munching and crunching, which I was, because I love lettuce wrap burgers, but this one was it was not as good as my $8 burger, $8 meal. It was not as good. I'm so sorry. It was like, it was okay, but the meat itself was not very seasoned, so it was just like, I was hungry, so I ate like half of it, and then I gave the other half to my mom. So that could be the whole work, that could, you know, tell you what you need to know. But it wasn't horrible, but it wasn't delicious. So it was okay. If you want to try it for the experience, I say try the normal burger. So yeah, it was okay. I didn't get the fries because like, I've been feeling gross and like full of sodium lately, and I just don't I didn't want fries, so I just didn't get the fries. So I can't really tell you what the fries taste like. But the normal burger, the normal Beast Burger is okay. It's not bad. I don't know how it tastes with bread. It might taste better with bread, kind of like a Burger King burger. Burger King burgers taste better with their bread because it's like a sweet bread, but I don't know what the Mr. Beast Burger bread is, so whatever. So yeah, first burger is okay. Now we're gonna move on to the Impossible Burger, and I saw some posts by Mr. Beast talking about, oh, like, I got my friends to try the Impossible Burger and they couldn't tell the difference. No, you can tell the difference. And I know, like, duh, because it's his restaurant, so he's gonna be like, oh yeah, you can't. No. With this one, you can tell. You can tell. It's not nasty, but it's not my thing, and it's very like smoky. Like, it has a lot of like the smoke syrup or whatever it's called in it. It's smoke liquid. It tastes very smoky, and like the after, like, it's a weird aftertaste where it's like, oh, is this fake meat? But then like there's a smell of plants in your mouth. It's very odd. Like I said, it's not bad, but it's not good. It's very like, I took like 2 bites, like 2 small bites. My mom had like literally this little piece of the patty. She's like, let me just try it, and she had like this little piece, and it stuck. Literally, the taste, the aftertaste stuck in my mouth for like 5 hours. I didn't even show y'all the box. See, it says Impossible double whatever lettuce wrap at the bottom. This was the Impossible one. Now, with all that being said, I would like to well, it's not really prefacing, whatever. It's not really saying it before now because I already said it, but I have a lot of like food allergies. I have my stomach, you know how they say bad bitches always got stomach problems? That's me. So yeah, I just want to say that, also put that in there, because it might have, you know, it might be, it's different for everybody obviously, but I do not recommend the Mr. Beast Impossible Burgers. It was just, I don't know, go to Burger King instead if you want an Impossible Burger. Burger King is where it's at. And Burger King really gets that like grilled taste, like if they taste like grilled burgers instead of like just putting a bunch of smoke liquid. So all in all, do I think that this was worth it? No, 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 I don't. I think if the meal for the normal burgers was the same price as the meal that I get at, I picked it up from Red Robin, the same meal that I get at Red Robin was the same price as like the normal burger meal of Mr. Beast, I think it would have been worth it. But the normal meal price, like the normal Mr. Beast burger price, is like $15, which, I mean, it's not horrible, I guess, because like Red Robin has meals for that much, but I don't get those meals. And if it's like for me personally, I don't think it was worth it. No. The Impossible Burger, just the burger, is like $14, just the burger for AC. No, 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 it was not worth it. So I'm upset. But yeah, that's my review of the Mr. Beast burger. Like, Mr. Beast in himself is a wonderful, like, I don't know him obviously, but like the things that he does for other people is amazing, and I really like that, and that's something that I want to do in the future. And like how when he opened the restaurant, he was like giving out money, like that's something that I want to be able to do. So I'm not bashing him, but the food, baby, no. But I mean, at the end of the day, I'm glad like I supported, but I ain't doing that again in this way. no. And if y'all can hear that, my dog just walked closer to me and it's like making noises. So anyways, that is my review of the Mr. Beast burgers. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next video.